हमें और जीने की चाहत ना होती अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते.
After
After
all
all
these
these
years.
years, yes. So tell me, Sonal, what are we going to talk about today? Differences की तो बहुत सारी बातें हमने कर दी. बहुत मजा आया मुझे तो वो एपिसोड में. Differences. We should have a part 2.
Someday, yes, again. But I would like to speak about this song. It's
Yeah.
such a meaningful song, and I do love the way you sing it.
Oh, thank you. That's my
Yes.
favorite song and favorite movie, by the way.
Yeah, but that song is so soulful. I'm so sad that I'm not able to sing it today. But it is so true that I cannot imagine a life without you. We may have threatened to kill each other, divorce each other, throw each other across the wall,
Move out of the house.
move out of the house. We never did.
Best part is if Sonal moves out of the house, someday she's going to call me. अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ यहाँ से?
Yeah, that is so true. I will be that person that's like, no, sir, मैं इधर फंस गई हूँ because you know directions.
Yeah.
How I am with directions. It's like I would like to share an incident here. Like I've just got married, and yeah, there is an eyesight issue which I'm going to speak about today. But at that time, I used to hate traveling by bus.
Hmm.
I had this terrible feeling of not being able to see the numbers and getting lost. So there is this time after I had got married, I shifted to Dhanukarwari in Kandivli West,
Hmm.
and there was a bus 285 which I was supposed to take, and I was petrified. So what I would instead prefer is to walk. The whole stupid logic was that I can at least ask people where I'm going. Now, one fine, and that time there were PCOs. So, one fine, I just realized I am not reaching home. I am somewhere and I don't know where. So, I found this PCO, ek rupya, 1 rupees we had to put. And I'm actually calling up, no, sir, I am under this shop. This is the shop's name. Now, please tell me where do I go or come and pick me up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is how I generally was always getting lost, and Noza was the one finding directions. So, coming back to the song, what that is what the sentiment that I was sharing, that I would not want to live if you aren't around, and that has been so true for all these years. It's never been a time, even in the worst of fights, that feeling has never come that he should not be there. I always want you to be there. So that song is so powerful today that you have chosen.
So when you say life isn't possible without me or each other, like when we say that, what does it actually mean? Means, I mean, can you like,
It's not that life isn't possible.
yeah,
We don't want that life
right,
to be without you.
right. And when is the first time you kind of realize that, or I mean, I'll tell mine, you tell me yours.
Yeah, so you tell mine. I've spoken a lot today, so why don't you stay?
Uh,
Go ahead and tell.
I think, see, when we started meeting each other and we wanted to spend so much time with each other, and naturally, always jealousy has been a very big part of our relationship. I don't know why, but that is also one reason I am with you, because I know that you were never, I mean, you were always jealous of me. I was never jealous of anybody. It's because you have been so committed, maybe. But in college days, there was a time when we had a very huge fight because of some incident. I don't know if we can speak about it
No,
maybe
you
some other
can.
time.
Just don't identify the names of the
Yeah.
people because they might be
Why
somewhere
you are so
watching it.
comfortable taking names?
But then I
Yeah.
realized that I
So yeah.
shouldn't. So I'm
So
willing to course
let's
correct.
forget the episode or whatever. So we had a very big tiff because of that incident, and it was like Sonal decided that now it's better. There's a big red noser is a big red flag, and I think I should just move out of this relationship.
I gave that big ultimatum.
And
Yes.
yeah, so that is the first time I realized that a life without you, I think it's not possible. So that is a time when I have been feeling that so many times. Each time we fight, and if we like even are away from each other, we know now by experience that ठीक है, कोई जाने वाला नहीं है कहीं. But it's like एक दिन हो जाता है, 2 दिन हो जाता है, and if we are not speaking to each other, it's no, it is a life without you. So that is the first incident when I realized that no, I don't want to have a life without you. whatever it is, with all the ups and downs, and which was so many of them, mostly downs, 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 and but it has been an adventure.
Yeah. So I quite like the vocabulary that you're putting, that no, there is a big red flag. Don't deprecate yourself so much.
No, I
But
mean, at that
yeah,
point of time, yes.
that incident, would you be okay if I shared some of the
Of
details?
course, please.
All right, so I'm
If you
not
want, I
giving the
can
name.
share it.
Yeah. Okay, share it with your way and then see how we fight here itself.
No, no, please, you go ahead.
We had gone for a picnic with our friends, and this is like a year. We haven't really uh, proposed or told or sealed the relationship kind of a thing. We are at a beach, and there is this girl who also is interested in Noza, and she goes ahead and invites him to kiss. And this man goes ahead and kisses her. And he has the audacity to come and tell me that. And
So that's why I
that
said
is the
red flag.
angriest I have. How is it a red flag if you come and tell me that this is the
I don't know.
stupidity that is?
Yeah.
So in his eyes, till that time, till he told me it is not wrong. And this kind of a situation has been in our life forever, I think now. In his mind and in his eye, it's a thing that happened,
Yeah.
right? It's only when it comes to me and goes through that, how do you say, it's like a mall, this, when the bag goes and that t that comes, and then you realize, oh my god, this was not supposed to be there. So I saw red, and not a red flag, but I was livid, I was angry, I was not happy sharing my, and Nozer is like, what do you generally say?
Yeah, no, no,
We had not made a relationship. I
yeah.
had not yet.
No, but see, frankly, what happened, I don't know,
Okay.
I should not say elaborate on it, but it simply happened that it was a running joke between all the friends कि अच्छा अभी कुछ खाया है तो let चलो मुंह मीठा करते हैं. And this person said के okay, there was another guy also. She said चलो let's do मुंह मीठा करने के लिए जाते हैं कहीं. And we went somewhere. We sat there. I mean, I was made to sit there on a
Made to.
rock.
Nice.
No, she actually made me
Made
sit,
to. Okay.
and it was just a peck. Okay, but I was caught unawares, and so I had to share it with you. So I'm sure it's not correct, and you
See, he's
ought to
still
feel
sure.
jealous.
He see the wordings.
I mean,
He is
but I'm
sure.
saying it was a
He,
red flag. You should have
now,
moved
now
on, yeah.
like a big, how do you say, great man is saying, but
No,
in,
it's
in
not.
his heart it is like,
Yeah.
it was done to me.
So see, but the thing is also that is a time when we fought, and then you said that, and rightly so that you decided कि नहीं यार ये तो इसके साथ relationship आगे लेके जाना ठीक नहीं है. And I still remember you had already crossed the फाटक. कॉलेज से हम लौट रहे थे, and I was running behind you, and I was telling you कि नहीं please give me one more chance, please give me one more chance, and it will not happen again. And also let me tell you that the same person had said that okay, when I had got my license, and she said that okay, if you drop me so and so place wherever she lived, then I'll give you whatever,
Anything.
anything.
I remember all details.
So and this is I have also told.
Yeah. So I had the
So I don't
most
know if it's a red flag or what flag, but
fortunate or unfortunate thing is that my husband would, or man at that time,
yeah.
would go ahead and do atrocious of things
But
and then have the audacity
but I didn't
to
do it.
come and tell
But
me.
I didn't drop her or I didn't take her anywhere,
Okay.
even though the
Okay. Okay. The offer was there.
offer was made. But that is the
Right.
time when I realized, coming back to
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
serious part of it, ki a life without you, because you said that okay, let's not have this relationship further, and for me it was like, oh God, I will never come back to this Fatak. I'll never come to take her early in the morning. I will never meet her again, and we will not spend that time in the train in the Jane's compartment. We will never sit on the kinetic Honda again, and we used to have these. Crazy things we used to write in books that okay, if we marry what we will do. So somewhere Sonal ne ek line likhi thi, acha I'll make bhajiyas for him, something like that. I don't know, some weird things we used to write in books. And so I thought ki ye jo bhi likha tha, all that things will not happen, and that broke my heart. And I would never want to have that day when you would not be in my life.
I anyway never wanted ever a day. So it was a realization for me also. Like I have shared already in the last episode, I did have this habit of just creating these ultimatums and big moments like now or never kind of a thing.
But you were also very, I mean, I don't know, we both were in many ways, मतलब differences था तो similarities भी बहुत सारी थी कि
हाँ,
पता नहीं, I think दोनों ही lonely बहुत थे. हमारे घर में तीन
yeah,
siblings, मतलब हम लोग total तीन siblings
yeah,
थे,
that
मेरे
is
घर
that
में
is
भी
what I was
तेरे घर
going
में
to
भी.
talk about, like why I stayed. Because it is like, yes, it hurt me a lot. Okay, but I didn't see it as a red flag, as in you are a bad person. Okay, for me, it was the thought of, oh my god, I don't want him to share what we have, right? I don't want him to, uh, all of these intimacy that we talk about today and all that. I don't want him to be alone with another person that way. I want him to be with me, only with me. So even after I did, the whole thought of not you not coming early in the morning to no, I will not see your face in the morning. That crushed me, that whole thought. And that is so true that you're saying that I was lonely. I had a lot of family members. I was the elder one, but I also had an eyesight problem. Like I had myopia when I was 3 or 4, and I had this habit of memorizing. So I went into the doctor's cabin, and I had like memorized the whole thing. And when the doctor put the first glass, I'm like, I just told by memory what that number is. So I had numbers increased, really increased, and really had those thick glasses. And because of that, again, there was a lot of shaming. And I was so ashamed that I never made friends. And then when I was 18, like they would keep showing me to these quacks, and every month there was a different treatment. So, somewhere, every moment and step, I was made to feel you are ugly, you are not wanted, you are not accepted for who you are. So, at 18, I had lied. They had taken me to a quack, another story. But I did have my specs on. So, again, I went into red zone because I couldn't see anybody's expression. I couldn't see face on what the other person is saying. And then, still, when I met you, I met Noza. This is also for my viewers. It was magic. This was a person who saw me, literally saw me, and he accepted me just like that. He didn't expect me to be having that eyesight, or he didn't expect, or he didn't shame me for not being able to read his expression. In fact, he made it easier for me to be able to do things, read things. When I poured very close, he kind of became like a, I don't know, it's a very strong thing to say, but blind people have a crutch. Noza became that for me. He was like a shield, always protecting me, never letting anybody know that I cannot see that much. And he could actually look in and see into my soul. So I was lonely. I couldn't tell people this part of me that, hey, I'm not able to look, I'm getting lost on the roads. And Noza just came, very gently held my hand, and he was everywhere. And once his kinetic Honda came, he took me everywhere. For my examination halls, he was there. For going to college, he was there. So I didn't have to tell him to be there. He just was there. So that is my deal maker, so to speak. That even though I was huffing and puffing, my heart was telling, please don't go. Please choose me. And that is the crux of the matter that we are talking today. That there are some things in the other person that makes you choose them. And we basically chose each other at every turn. We chose each other, right? We were there, and we saw the reflection of the person who will hold us with all of this. These red flags, green flags, deal makers, deal breakers, all of that language we didn't have at that time. But we knew we wanted to be with this person. And yes, it was not a if I look at it now, he also had the choice to say, okay, you're so, acting hoity-toity, let us break the relationship. He didn't. He made that effort to tell me, no, I want you. You're angry, I understand. I made a mistake, but I want you. So that is something, in a very bittersweet way, was also the moment that kind of sealed and created a, shared vocabulary that we will choose each other, no matter what. I think I've said a lot, so I'll take a moment.
So
I'll send it over to you.
actually, what Sonal described was like only the tip of the iceberg. Of course, the eyesight issue for Sonal has been there for quite some time, was there for quite some time. Luckily, it's resolved now, and she can see me and
I
see
can
my
see.
expressions. Hasn't gone into the depth of it. It was so bad that at times, um, मैं जब तक उसके एकदम करीब जाके नहीं खड़ा हो जाता था, तब तक उसको पता नहीं चलता था कि इट्स मी. इतना ये था कभी कभी. एंड सो द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ मी एक्चुअली कि मुझे तो लोग देखते ही नहीं थे इन द सेंस कि और लोनलीनेस की जो बात की कि दैट वाज अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस. आई was surrounded by people who were continuously we say that shoving things under the carpet. हमको एक फसाड क्रिएट करना था हमेशा से कि हम सब बहुत हैप्पी और खुश हैं. एंड एक तरह से इट वाज अ वेरी आर्टिफिस काइंड ऑफ अ लाइफ. एंड आई वाज सीइंग everybody around me, even the immediate or extended family, कि there was so many issues, so many problems, but it was always covered up with a facade of pretending to be happy. एंड टू सम एक्सटेंट 17 साल तक तो मैं मतलब वो करते करते प्रिटेंस करते करते मैं थक चुका था एक्चुअली. एंड व्हेन आई really met Sonal, I there was this another incident that she walked all the way from her place. हम लोग को पता नहीं चलने की बहुत आदत है कभी. तो कांदीवली ईस्ट से वो कांदीवली वेस्ट चल के आई थी और मैं नीचे क्रिकेट खेल रहा था अपने सोसाइटी में. और वो नेचुरली मेरे घर पे नहीं आई क्योंकि इट कैन क्रिएट सम प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. तो वो बेचारी सोच के मेरे फ्रेंड 5th फ्लोर पे था उसके घर पे चली गई, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड जिसको मैंने सबसे पहले बताया था सोनल के बारे में. तो उसके घर पे थी और वो मुझे ऊपर से हम लोग की एक ये थी सिग्नल थी बुलाने की ऐसे करके. तो वो ऊपर से मेरे को बुला रहा है एंड मैं ऊपर देख रहा हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ सोनल ऊपर है. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द हेल इज सोनल डूइंग एट हिज प्लेस. Now, see that is the time I realized, it was not jealousy that Sonal is with him there. It was a jealousy because he is also very dear to me and she is also so dear to me. तो मेरे लिए वो मोमेंट पे ऐसा था, आई स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग वियर्ड. सोनल ने भी मुझे बाद में पूछा कि यार तुझे क्या हुआ, मैं तेरे को मिलने ही और तू कैसे. आई डिड नॉट गो अप. उन लोगों ने मुझे इतना बुलाया, मैं मिला ही नहीं उससे और वो बेचारी ऐसे चली गई मिले बिना. क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो वो उस तरह की जेलसी नहीं थी कि he she is there with him. It was like they both my best people in my life are together and oh god, like that. तो उस तरह का एक तरह का कुछ stubbornness या feeling था. But in my heart I was feeling this कि oh god, what if there's a life without her. Again that whole question comes. So वही था कि when I met her, she was मतलब totally different than what the kind of people were. She was like अगर कुछ खराब है तो बोलो खराब है. और हमें तो ये सिखाया ही नहीं गया था. हमको तो ऐसा था कि अच्छा खराब भी है तो बोलो अच्छा है. So it was like this was a person here जो बोलेगी क्या पहन के आया सीधा. she'll just say like that, okay yeah ये क्या दिख रहा है, या whatever comes to her mind she would say it. And that is what actually I really liked about her at that point of time. अभी कभी कभी ऐसा होता है यार बस कर यार मत इतनी सच्ची सच्ची बातें मत बोल.
Yeah. What is cute becomes uncute when it is
Uncute
directed
sometimes
to
yeah,
you.
to you. हाँ but
Yeah, that
मतलब
does happen.
after a time ऐसा बस कर यार मत इतना सच्चाई मत बोल.
But
So tell me, how does my clean shaven look to you? Means how does it appear? चलो अभी देखते हैं सच्चाई.
sexy
अच्छा,
it looks. Yes,
okay.
yes.
I thought you didn't like it.
No, I have always liked you. There is never a
Okay.
time or a point in
नहीं
life that
now I have a double chin ना जो पहले नहीं था.
ठीक है,
ठीक
but
है.
I'm supposed to
Okay.
accept. It's not supposed to.
Accept
I accept.
supposed to क्या है यार नहीं
हाँ वही
पसंद है तो.
but it's a
हाँ
slip I think.
याद है ना कैंसल कल्चर के जमाने में जी
No,
रहे
no,
हम
no, no,
लोग.
no. See, that is what I was
कैंसल हो
telling
जाओगे
about.
तुम.
That I accept Noza in all the hues. Matlab, there has never been a time when I look up from wherever and whatever I'm doing, look at him, and realize that he should be different.
Hmm.
It has never happened.
Hmm.
So that is why it's like uh, with the beard also he's super sexy to me. Without the beard also super sexy. In fact, it's easier to kiss him without the beard. Okay, but we were that's the whole part, that he represents a very different kind of a definition. Like when he's talking about his family, in my family, I come from a very patriarchal family where the definitions are very clear. So in a way, I actually was very rebellious as a young person. This whole telling as it is came as a rebellious strategy. Somehow it worked with Noza, and I'm grateful for that. But there were definitions of this is how a woman should be, this is how a woman should present herself, wear this, cook like this, cook like that. I remember an incident like with my grandmother. It had happened, and I used to know to make chapatis, but I used to never make chapatis in her presence because otherwise I would end up making chapatis for 25 people who were there in the house because we had a big maternal family. So she had got angry with me and told me, "Be feeding bread. What's the problem?" And that's a standing joke. The manifestation today is that I have found a husband who doesn't go very high on chapatis. He actually enjoys bread.
यार मेरे
And
को
if I
बोलना
am
पड़ता है
making
कभी कभी कि
chapatis,
बस कर
yeah,
यार चपाटी
he's
मत
like,
बना यार.
"Bus, no,
हाँ.
don't make chapatis today. Bread kha lenge." So it's such a manifestation. But that's what struck out for me as a different. His presence was so different for me. In fact, he was the person who introduced me to short skirts. I would very brazenly wear his t-shirts. Yeah,
I
there's
bought
a
you a
black.
short skirt from Linking Road,
Yeah, he would
and it
actually
was really short.
go. Yeah, it
एकदम
really
मतलब.
short. He
हाँ.
he would act. It was unbelievable to me that he would actually go to a market, haggle with the people, and actually bring a piece of outfit for me.
क्योंकि हमारे घर में clothes was a like very big thing
हाँ,
यार.
and our
Clothes
house,
अच्छा
our
एकदम
house, we purchased clothes
prim
like
and proper लगना चाहिए.
once in a year.
हाँ.
दिवाली में, otherwise we were only wearing handouts.
हाँ.
So दिवाली में लाया करते थे,
हाँ.
या मामा जब हमारे अमेरिका जाते थे
हम्म.
$1 के कपड़े लेकर आते थे, and we used to wear that the whole year round.
Yeah.
Okay, so this man, he actually not only got me a, how do you say, skirt, he also lent me his polo neck t-shirt,
Yeah.
and I
You.
should wear that in college and go. That was so much fun, to be accepted. And I was also, in a way, like he accepted, oh, he's shopping, how nice, I don't have to do it. Anyway, I was not able to see much. So to be able to see clothes from that far range where they are hanging was not my cup of tea. So we kind of started complimenting each other. What we needed, the other provided. And it's like I wanted a man who would, accept me the way I am. At the same time, not box me in all those patriarchal this this wear sari or make chapati for me. His dreams about women were not that she's making chapati for me in the kitchen.
Exactly.
So that is something that was so beautiful about Noza. Yeah. So
I-
thank you for being non-patriarchal, I would say. Although I do see some patriarchy when you don't let me drive the car.
Don't let
But
you get जाना अभी पीछे ही खड़ी है देख.
Jana, no,
हाँ
no, no.
जाके
There's a,
चला.
there's a certain amount of permission he
रोका
doesn't give.
किसने है तेरे को?
No, you.
By the way, वो जो मतलब thank you for जो भी तूने बोला
हाँ, जो भी
कि
तूने बोला. You don't remember. He doesn't
patriarchy.
remember. His memory is
तो
beautiful.
actually in our house it was always like that. मतलब my dad also used to cook and we had to all pick up our plates. So वैसा कुछ नहीं था कि गर्ल बॉय का डिस्टिंक्शन thankfully नहीं था. And yeah, we were treated like equals. And दूसरे सब बहुत issues थे, वो अलग बात है. But ये नहीं था at least. और एक और चीज़ था कि तूने बोला ना कि ड्रीम्स ऑफ वुमेन कुकिंग चपाटी. I just realized that this same friend that I'm talking about, my best friend, so he was very clear in his mind. उसने मुझे बोला था कि यार ये मेरे parents मुझे सब लड़कियां बता रहे, but I have very clear picture of the girl that I want. She should be fair, she should have long hair, she should be beautiful and presentable. अब ये तो बंदा मतलब he was like very clear कि बस ऐसा ही मतलब like वो typical movies में बताया, that is how a woman should be. So actually, like when you tell me just now, I really did not have a list of things के ये चीजें होनी चाहिए एक लड़की में. तो yeah, I mean, I never had that in my mind. So I didn't have a dream girl in my mind कि this is what. So in a way, जैसे मैं जब when I'm directing my films, तो मैं सब actors को वही बोलता हूँ कि देखो, you have never acted before. So वो जो character है, वो तुम बनने की कोशिश मत करो. उस character को आप अपने आप को बना दो. तो वही that is what I थिंक हैपेंड कि मेरे दिमाग में कोई ड्रीम गर्ल नहीं थी, ये जो मेरे सामने आई ना उसको मैंने अपना ड्रीम गर्ल बना दिया, बिकॉज आई लाइक ऑल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट शी हैड। एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे गुण थे तभी, और जो अभी भी
थे
है।
थे Okay, nice.
हाँ,
I'm happy to know that I have
अभी भी
lost
है,
some of my.
अभी भी है। एंड या सो
So what is this
द
abhi
आई
bhi
थिंक
hai?
द
What
अभी
is
भी है
this
मीन्स
abhi?
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सी द फन एलिमेंट। सो ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब हम डिफरेंसेस की बात कर रहे थे तो बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटीज भी है ना। वी हैव केप्ट री इन्वेंटिंग अवर सेल्स, हम लोग कभी एक जगह पे कहीं बैठे नहीं है, मतलब वी जब व्हेन वी वर इनटू कोचिंग also we were constantly doing something new, that is why our all our students and our kids remember us, because हम कुछ ना कुछ नया करते ही रहते थे हर साल, you know। And with our lives also we kept doing something new experiments. Now that can happen only if we are similar na? There are some things that we want to do together. So it's like, you know, after a time क्या होता है ना कि हम लोग ये सब आइडेंटिटी और इसकी सब अभी आजकल बहुत हम बातें करते हैं कि ओके यू शुड गिव मी स्पेस एंड वो सब जरूरी है, ठीक है। बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अ गुड रिलेशनशिप इज ऑल्सो अबाउट आइडेंटिटी एज अ होल। हम
Yeah,
ये जो आइडेंटिटी ढूंढने के चक्कर में ओ मेरा स्पेस, मेरा इतने बजे से इतने बजे मैं ये करूंगा, तू इतने बजे से इतने ये, अरे भैया वो भी करो। बट एक एज अ होल ऑल्सो आपकी एक आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। इन अ रिलेशनशिप दैट रियली लास्ट फॉर अ वेरी
yeah,
लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट्स अ मस्ट आई
I
थिंक।
agree. I think our children say this to us that when we
यू आर अ
say we are
यूनिट,
you
हाँ।
all are a unit.
हाँ तो
Yeah.
डर जाते हो, कभी बोलते हैं, यार तुम लोग मतलब
हाँ, मतलब whatever
इट्स सो,
decisions we take, it's they are a
you
together
all are
decision.
not permeable, that's what I think they
Yeah,
mean।
there's no space between us in that way. It's not like we cling to each other, but we do hold certain level of decisions together. Yeah, so it's not like we do it because we are supposed to be consistent. We share those values together. So this whole reinvention value, we haven't been the same.
Yeah,
We have known each other in different hues, and in a relationship that is important. To when we say accept the other for who they are, not only at that moment, accept the other for who they are becoming. I have known my husband, from that teenager, 18-year-old Gawky, making those designs and writing those beautiful cards and creating, and yes, these beautiful bedroom. We used to write bedroom scenes. Now I remember what you're saying. We used to
that's right,
actually write that what you will say, what I will say when
yeah,
we are married to each other,
yeah,
or when we have a home for each other. So
mm.
that's seeing the future together. But when the future did arrive, it also arrived with a lot of crisis.
Yeah,
Yeah, and when it did arrive with a lot of crisis,
mm.
we had to also become something else to
Yeah,
greet that
yeah,
crisis. But in that something else, in the ups, in the total lows
downs,
and downs, where we are hating each other, where we are screaming at each other, where we are not really liking what is happening, but at the same time, we are not letting go of, you know, what we share. That is something very important to keep the togetherness. In the whole, we have never given ourselves the option of, you know, let's be so space. It's like in the same room, he's sitting with his computer and editing his short film,
yeah,
and I'm reading my own book.
that is
So that
space,
is
that
space
is
for
giving
each other
space,
by
yeah,
being who we are.
yeah,
So today, if I have to end, I would like to just end with this,
mm.
that always hold that togetherness very precious.
Right.
And it's not just accepting who we have been, just accept each other in the moment of who we are becoming.
Yeah.
I hope I'm making sense.
Yeah, actually, who you are becoming is right, because see, from being just friends, from being, people in love, from that we became a married couple, and then we became parents. So, like, as far as like being parents, एक चीज था कि always attending the uh, PTMs together. It has never been a case कि अच्छा तू चले जा या मैं चले जाता हूँ. You know, it has always been that we have been together.
Yeah,
Doctor's appointment.
yeah, it was a rule. Doctor's
So
appointment and parent teacher
we were
meetings will
always there together.
always go together.
So वहाँ फिर हम सिर्फ अपनी आइडेंटिटी को लेके बैठ जाए तो वो कोई मतलब नहीं है ना, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू आर ऑल्सो डूइंग इट फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन एज अ यूनिट। एंड सो दैट इज वाई आई सेड कि कि क्या होता है कि डिफरेंसेस तो है ही बहुत सारे, एंड दैट मेक्स लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल एंड चैलेंजिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम इतनी सारी सिमिलैरिटीज भी होती है जो लाइक यू सेड राइटली कि वो हम आहिस्ता 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 इट्स लाइक पता नहीं, I don't remember this. There's a couplet of Rumi. So it becomes like when you are truly in love, you start seeing each other as your own reflection. That is what true love is. So कहीं relationship में वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. मतलब you don't have to make an effort. It should happen naturally if it's
It's
really a
an inner
relationship.
knowing.
Yeah, it's
You
an
look
inner
at that
knowing.
other person and you know,
Right.
okay, this is who he is in this
Yeah.
moment or who she is in the moment. And then let's be with that.
Right.
Rather than, why it should not be or why is it. Sometimes we fight over it, but most of the time it's like, let's hold that lovingly and tenderly and just be.
Right.
Just be together. That's my word for you today. Together.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's not want to live without the other.
Right.
As long as life permits.
So, और कुछ we are missing out on something?
We have other episodes. We'll come back.
Okay, so let us know what would you like to listen to in our coming episodes. 4 episodes are already out. Please go, guys, and watch it
And
on
so,
Spotify
and
and YouTube. Yeah.
I have to say some of you have also seen this journey with us. Maybe as a student, as a friend. If you want
As a
to join us,
relative.
if you want to join us in this podcast, if you are as brave as us, okay, to do all this threading of conversation, this is not rehearsed.
Yeah.
So if you want to be a part of it, let us know and let's make that thing work, because that will make these podcasts really beautiful. We want to hear from you. How did you experience us as a couple? So there are students who have seen our red pen fights. Okay, students who have seen our chaika fights. Students who have, like, actually, I had a student who used to tell, "Sir and Miss, you all don't fight. We enjoy it." So as you know, we have been academic parents to far too many students now, and I would love to hear from them.
And there are a lot
also.
of comments they've sent across, which we'll
Yeah.
surely share in the next
Yes,
episode.
definitely. So
Or
we are not selfish. We just don't want to be, even though we are one unit, we don't mind sharing space with you also. If you want to come in, just let us know.
तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, मेरी जिंदगी का तुम ही आसरा हो, किनारे पे भी तो लहर आ डुबोती, किनारे पे भी तो लहर आ डुबोती, अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते.